Annual consumer price inflation retreated in December, easing to 5.1% from 5.5% in November and 5.9% in October. The consumer price index was unchanged month on month in December. The December release concludes the results for 2023. The average inflation rate for the year was 6%, lower than 2022's 6.9%. Inflation was relatively hot in the first 5 months of 2023, with the headline rate consistently above 6%. Inflation eased below this level for the remaining 7 months of the year. The highest reading in 2023 was 7.1% in March, and the lowest was 4.7% recorded in July. Product categories ending the year with annual rates higher than 6% in December were food and non-alcoholic beverages at 8.5%, restaurants and hotels at 7%, and health at 6.5%. The 8.5% inflation rate for food and non-alcoholic beverages in December was lower than November's 9%. Inflation softened for 5 food and non-alcoholic beverages subcategories. Those are bread and cereals, oils and fats, sugar, sweets and desserts, vegetables, and hot beverages. The bread and cereals price index declined by 0.2% between November and December, lowering the annual rate for this category to 7.5%. Maize meal prices eased by 0.9% over the same period, with the average price of a 2.5 kilo bag of maize meal declining from 37 Rand 4 cents in November to 36 Rand and 64 cents in December. Inflation for oils and fats remained in deflationary territory. The average price for a 750ml bottle of sunflower oil was 35 Rand and 82 cents in December, lower than the February 2023 peak of 37 Rand 47 cents and well below the high of 45 Rand 33 recorded in July 2022. Although the sugar, sweets and desserts category as a whole recorded a softer annual rate in December, sugar prices continued to escalate. White sugar is 20.1% and brown sugar 24.6% more expensive than a year ago. Food and non-alcoholic beverages subcategories that registered a rise in inflation include meat, milk, eggs and cheese, fish, fruit and miscellaneous food products. Annual meat inflation ticked up to 3.9% in December from 3.5% in November. Chicken products saw sharp annual price increases, with chicken giblets up 18.5%, fresh chicken portions up 14.6%, and IQF chicken portions up 6.4%. The milk, eggs and cheese price index increased by 14.5% in the 12 months to December, higher than November's rate of 13.9%. The 12-month increase in egg prices was 38%, slightly lower than November's print of 39.9%. Housing and utilities inflation reached 5.7% in December. This is the highest annual rate since May 2017, when it was the same rate. Actual and imputed rentals recorded a quarterly increase of 0.8%, taking the annual rate for actual rentals to 3.1% and for imputed rentals to 3%. The transport index increased by 2.6% in the 12 months to December 23. The slowdown over 2023 was mainly a result of lower fuel prices, decreasing by 2.5% over the previous 12 months and by 2.7% between November and December. Inflation for restaurants and hotels was 7%, up from 6.3% in November. Hotel prices increased by 8.9% in the 12 months to December, higher than the annual rate of 5.6% recorded in November. For more information on the Consumer Price Index, please visit our website at www.statssa.gov.za.